So good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Amity Directorate of Applied Arts, Fine Arts, Performing Arts, and Visual Arts, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this online virtual factory visit. So we have Mr. Nasimul Haq with us. He's the Quality Assurance Manager at Floreal Knitwear Bangladesh, and he's going to tell us about the factory, and also he's going to take us through the factory and show us all the systems and processes of the factory. A very warm welcome, Mr. Nasimul. Could you please turn on your video so we can say hi to you?
Yeah, please. Hello. Hello,
Yes,
everyone. This is Nasimul. I'm from
we
Floria,
can't.
Bangladesh. Okay. I'm audible?
You're audible, but
Uh,
we can't see you.
You can see.
No, can't see.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please stop video and restart again.
Just a second.
So shall I share the
You can see now.
presentation?
Yeah. You can see now?
No,
Hello.
sir. Your video is not.
पता नहीं इसका वीडियो क्यों आ रहा है?
Okay, I'm sharing the presentation.
Okay.
Can you see this now?
Yeah. Okay. Can I start? So, Florial International, it's a part of Shell Textile. There are 4 clusters in Shell Textile. In the end of the slides, I will share with you guys the factories. Okay. So let's go the first slide. So go beyond. Okay. Be the best global fashion partner is our main mission. So factory and figures, okay, 55 million USD turnover. We are having 3 factories, Mauritius 1, Madagascar 2, and Bangladesh 1. And for 4,000 employees, we are having 4 million of garment, okay, per year we are shipping. So our business units basically Floreal and FSM. FSM is a woolen mill and Floreal is a knitwear factory, okay, flat knit. So our virtual integrity is our spinning mill is in Mauritius, which called FSM, Farney Spinning Mill, and our garment unit is having Mauritius no, Madagascar 1 and Bangladesh 1. So our market positioning, is you can say 45% of America and 35% of Europe. India also is there 8%, others is having 8%, and Africa having 6%. So the customers we are having Celio, David, okay, Nave, Sainsbury, Lacoste. Okay. So these are the brand. Our main market is UK market. Okay, a UK market. So these are the customer. Matalan, Tesco is there, Dance is there. So Betty Buckley, newly Germany customer is there. Marks and Spencer is there. So these are our customers. And then our strength, okay, mainly product equality is Madagascar 37%, India is having 50% of total Shell Textile, and Mauritius is having only 13% because Mauritius is having the Aquarel and Laguna, a small unit over there. Production units in Madagascar 3, India 5, okay, and FSM total included 4. So our strength, development, okay, design and development, service and communication, reliability, product quality, very good, fantastic product in we are producing here. Speed and flexibility, these are our strength. Customer centric. So how we operate? Basically, we operate shell textile, okay? Best practices, okay? We are having a entrepreneurship, okay? Product specification specialist, okay? And then more than a manufacturing unit, we are having a talent. Our people are gold. We retain talent. Okay, digitalization. We are moving very fast on digitalization in every aspects. Considering the government produce, considering the management, considering the SOPs, everything we are going digitalization very fast. Sustainability, yes, we are a role model of sustainability, share textile, okay, where the heat index is 85%. Okay, we are very reliable for sustainability. Then sustainability journey we have started 2020 to 2021 in one lot of project we have did. Okay, ZDSC zero hazardous chemical we are processing sustainability Higg index. Okay, social level combined. So everywhere we are focusing. Then are making a difference, act for environment, act for community. We have taken lot of projection, act for community. We are doing a what do you say, the pre-medical checkup. We are doing a tree plantation for environment. We are doing a CRP people we are taking care of. Okay, so a lot of activities is moving on in CL textile. You can see education 33%. We are having a foundation, CL Foundation. 33% of education we are giving to the people. Okay? Then the health we are giving, the disabled people we are taking care of. Then our culture is winning well. Excellence, be the best champion culture. Okay, our people are gold. This is our main engagement. Okay, with the people. So this is CL, basically Aquarel Laguna CFL, CL Textile Fabric Limited. Then topic needs CDL and
Okay, so shall I play the video now?
so we are in.
I think the video is not visible. Video is not visible, right?
No, ma'am. Video not visible, ma'am.
So I'll show. I think we'll carry on with the factory visit now, Nasimul sir. I think the video is not visible.
Yeah. Sorry, our CEO sir has called just I picked his phone. Okay, I did not cut. Okay. So this is CL actually. So can you start the video, please?
Video actually is not showing. I'll try once again, but it
Okay.
wasn't playing. I will try once more.
Actually, whatever the video is, which I am going to show now to the students. Okay, the factory tour. Okay. Before that, let me start my. Yeah, you can see.
Let me try once again. Yeah,
Yeah, no
just a
problem,
second.
no problem,
I'll try once again.
no problem. Yeah, this is. Yeah. I'm got it.
Just a minute. Okay, that was a wonderful video, Mr. Naseem. So can we go ahead with the factory visit now?
Yeah. So did you see the video from my
Yes.
side?
Yes. Maqsood sir, can you please spotlight Mr. Naseemul's video? Okay, which department is this?
This is sample section.
Okay.
Okay. So those are the guy who is making the knitting plan. Okay, basically. Each and every order, we need to have a knitting plan as
Okay.
for hand plan. Okay, hand plan like that knitting plan is there.
Yes.
Okay. And then this is the area where we are doing we are taking all the yarn, sample yarn.
We
Like
lost video, Mr. Naseemul. We can't see your video.
So now you can see. Now you can see.
No, can't see. Maybe you can stop it. Yeah, we can see it now. Maqsood sir, you can remove me from the screen so we can have a bigger view of the factory. Maqsood sir, you can remove me from the screen. Okay, is this the yarn storage or the sampling?
Yeah. This is the yarn for sampling. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can see the section. Start
Yeah.
from here. You can see it that it's an average section. This is PC set for the samples. Okay, they are taking the garment. Okay. So before that, there are a lot of operation is there. I can show you the knitting. This is the knitting one.
Can you
Knitting
show
one
them the
more.
close-up of a hand flat knitting machine?
Yeah, this is the hand flat knitting machine.
What is the gauge?
This
What
is
is the
12
gauge?
gauge. This is 12 gauge.
12 gauge.
12 gauge, yeah. This is the
Okay.
12 gauge machine. So you can see it. You can see the type of machine. You can see the chart is there. Chart is written on which gauge it is. So this 12 gauge machine. Maybe you can see it, right?
Yes, we can see. Can we see somebody knitting the machine also? Doing the knitting?
Yeah. They are doing the knitting. They are doing the knitting. So this you can see better in hand plot when
On the
I'm going
production.
to show the hand plot on the floor. Okay, knitting floor. That time. So this is the pressing machine, and this is the sample linking machine. This is the sample linking machine. You can see.
Okay, students, so these are linking machines.
It's a
So
dial linking machine.
dial linking machine. So
Yeah,
in
yeah.
sweaters, you don't have the normal stitching mostly. The two parts of the sweater, the front and the back, and the sleeves and the neck rib are joined using the linking machine. So you can see how they are doing the linking also. Nasimul sir, we can see the lady in the pink dupatta. So she is doing the linking. See.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
So
can
this
see
is linking
here.
one part.
This is how A sweater is stitched because you
Yeah.
don't have the same machines for a sweater as you have for a shirt or any other garment. You have these round linking machines for sweater.
Now this will be free. Okay. Corona. You can see both the part has been already put it on the machine. So after this, actually this is a sample session. So sample operator always working very
Yeah.
very slow. Because need to see your sample.
So this is how the linking is done on a sweater. So you can see the linked stitch. It's like a chain stitch.
Right. So I will show you on the LinkedIn flow now
Yeah.
because our layout is such that in third flow linking has been started. After that it gradually go down. So linking also I will show you.
Okay.
So this is actually the linking flow.
Okay.
You can see.
So the bulk of linking is done here for production.
Yeah, actually we are doing two types. One is that auto linking, another one is dial linking. So this is a dial linking machine,
Okay.
and another one is there is a auto linking machine that is finished.
Okay.
I can see that operation we are doing basically on wool product. So now wool product is very less in running now. So now everything is cotton is running, cotton and then organic cotton, luxury is running, not running in this sector. Okay, so after this, this is a area for spinning mending. Spinning
Yeah.
mending section. Okay. Spinning mending section here they're doing all the trim job, whatever they're trimming and mending.
Okay.
So whatever straight things they're cutting and hiding. After
Yeah.
that, they're doing 100% live test. Like that. They're doing 100% live test. Okay.
Yeah. So in
Where they put
sweaters,
on the line,
students,
so they put on the line, light,
yeah.
so that they can able to see the seam open, yes or no, okay, anything.
So in sweaters, they are put on
Yeah,
these weight boxes, and then the seams are checked
yeah,
that
things
there's
get
no drop in the stitch or there's no loop drop. Because once if the loop gets dropped, then the entire knitting would open. It will form a ladder.
yeah, right.
We have seen in your socks and sweaters, if even one loop
After that,
is down.
this is the table, they're doing 100% equal on bundle flow, okay.
Okay.
Equal table is there. Equal 1.0 they are following. Okay? They are
Okay.
taking in 10 pieces of one bundle. They are taking 3 pieces. If any major or minor issue is there, then they're filling the order. Okay, and they're putting the red sheet over the bundle ticket and they're returned back to the operator for rectification.
All right.
So like that way we are processing we are controlling our process control. This is the good practices in trivial. You can see the best operator, best supervisor is the best operator,
Hmm.
best worker in a month.
Okay.
So we have worked a lot for the layout and all. So this is 6 is running in our organization.
Okay.
So there are a lot of parameters we are working on. And you
So
can
6S
see here,
stand for what, Nasimul sir? 6S would be safety.
yeah, last one is safety.
What are the
Safety.
other five?
Short, set, then time, standardization, then sustain, then safety.
Oh.
So this is the 6S.
Okay.
And you can see over here the efficiency, quality, and the servicing of the machine. You can see each and every machine is having the what do you say, traffic light system. You can say that efficiency board, whatever it is. This is for efficiency, this is for quality, and this is for machine maintenance.
Okay.
This is the dashboard. Each and every operator is having this dashboard to see, to monitor how much defective or how much efficient they are. And those are the quality boards to visualize the defectives. Okay, this is basically QCC, quality control circle, and this is for the quality dashboard. Okay, where the daily, weekly, and monthly is showing the data. This is the general process flow for the company, for this flow. You can see it here. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the general flow. Okay.
So maybe you can explain just a bit on this.
Okay.
So first is the yarn.
It is actually started from the yarn. Okay. Then yarn control. If yarn is okay, it is checked by lab. Okay. If the yarn is okay, then pre-production activities is ongoing. After the pre-production, then knitting order is started. Okay. Then PP knitting conduct. Then makeup. Makeup means linking. Then washing. Then any drying issue is drying. Then sorting. Then pre-press. Pre-press means before putting in the finishing lamp. Okay, there is a sorting system. Then lamp in a station. Then level to be attached. Then pressing, 100% pressing of the garment.
Okay.
Then polybagging. Then logistics. Okay.
Yeah.
Then quality assurance. Then dispatch. So
Okay.
start from the knitting to dispatch. Everywhere, we are having a checkpoint. Whatever. And those are some compliance loaded. Okay, this is tested on the floor. We are going to meeting floor now.
Okay.
Going down.
Maqsood sir, can you make Nasimul sir as in the center stage so we can have him in the full screen?
Ma'am, I already spotlight Narsimul sir.
So I can see two windows, Amity University host and Nasimul sir.
And this is the class. You can see over here. They are doing the meeting like that.
Yeah.
Okay, those of the panel has been meted. Those of the panel has been meted.
Yes.
This is actually 350 machine over here for meeting in class.
Nasimul sir, I lost your video.
Yeah. Yeah, now you can see.
No. Yes, I can see it now.
Yeah. So 350 meeting machine over here. So there also is having 100% illustration on the table. Okay, after complete the panel, then 100%. Oh, my video has gone again.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you can see.
Yeah, I can see.
So these are the KPI boards, okay? KPI boards, then closer, then all the compliance boards, okay? Whatever is required for the meeting section. So now we are moving to automatic section or automatic meeting.
Hmm.
This is the section actually fully automatic, okay? Air condition.
So, which machine is this?
It is
Stone.
Funasaki. It is Funasaki.
Asake.
Funasaki, Japan.
Yeah, yeah.
Japan, Funasaki.
12 gauge.
There are two brands, one is NHLG, another one is SBI.
Yeah.
There
So
is
students, these
there
are
are something.
fully automatic computerized knitting machines.
Yeah.
So generally in two make Shimaseki and Stoll. So these are Shimaseki machines. So they feed the program here and then the machine knits the panels.
Yeah, they are putting input on the program.
Yeah.
Load formation, value they are adding. Okay. Here also is having 100% initiation. After the 100% initiation, stay here like a linking. Okay, there will be a visual 1.0.
Naseemal sir, can we see a machine working, a working fully automatic machine? Where we can see the panel coming out maybe.
Okay. Let me see where the panel is bigger. That machine I will show.
So this machine we can see maybe.
Yeah, you can see this panel.
Yes.
It is just now it will come out. It will come out.
Yeah.
So this is the knitting machine.
So the knitting is happening automatically and the panels get made.
Yeah. And it is a completely air conditioned room. Light also very low. Okay?
Yeah.
Because light is generating the hot atmosphere temperature we have. So that's why we are keeping the less light.
Yes.
Panel का नाम बना है এখন নাম তো okay এটা দেখো this is the panel has been
Yeah. What is the yarn?
this is 100 cotton
Cotton.
100% cotton BCI cotton.
Okay, BCI 100% cotton.
Yeah. So this will be big diameter. And this
Yeah.
is also cotton. This is also cotton plated with nylon for issue wear.
Okay.
This is for the issue dress,
School wear. Yeah. Uniforms. For
Uniform. Yeah. So they are taking for their kids.
Okay.
Their schools. Okay, so we are moving to listen now.
Mm-hmm.
There are such things that Kaizen board is there, CCC board is there.
Mm-hmm. So these are all quality systems that the factory follows.
Quality control system. I'm saying more things on quality, because I'm working in a quality department. That's right.
Yeah, that will be interesting for the students also to know.
Yeah. So this is actually the quality mobile unit.
Mm-hmm.
You can see it here. Quality mobile unit. So each and every information is over here. Whatever running on the floor. Okay. This is the personal approvable. Each and every style, and these are the approved garments has been hanged along with the relationship. Whatever high risk is there, that has been written down over here. And this is the production KPI board. Okay. Production KPI board. So efficiency you can see 85.
So how many
And then
panels?
now I'm going to show you the programming room.
Okay. Yes. So this is the program
Programming room.
where the knitting program is made so that the machine makes the panels automatically. First, it needs to be programmed.
Yeah. So here now we are doing a lot of virtual sample also. Okay, 3D sample, 3D and flow. We are doing Apex 3 and flow. We are making the 3D samples.
Okay.
Can you show me the 3D sample? দেখাতে পারবা?
So they also do
Virtual sample.
3D designing.
Yeah.
Can
Design.
before making the garment only by 3D designing, you can check the fit of the garment. You can take approvals from the buyer based on how it is looking in 3D form on the screen.
Yeah, virtual first. Okay, garment. Garment. We want to see the garment. See the garment. See the play the. So this is the garment. Oh, would like
Panel, na?
Once they
But
gure, this is a
3D
panel become a garment.
Can we see the 3D view of this also?
Now you can see.
Oh,
Now you can see that.
yeah, we can see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
এগুলো সব সহজ নাকি? ভার্চুয়ালটা দেখাও। ভিডিও ছিল না একটা? হ্যাঁ। Just a second, there is now this is the video.
This is on Flow 3D?
Yeah, flow.
Okay.
You can see in different, even you can see the color differences.
So they check the fit of the garment on 3D model. So even before making the garment, one can find any fault in the pattern and correct it before actually making a complete garment. So it saves time and
Yeah.
it saves money. Great, wonderful.
Okay, this is 3D flow. Okay, where customer has already seen the shape of the garment. Okay, how the fit will be, everything they can process. Now we will move it to finishing.
Yes.
Finishing section. One step down. You can see it here, Mr. Eric Joshi is the CEO of CL. Okay.
Okay.
He has signed the quality policy.
Okay.
This is English and this side is Bangla.
Okay.
This is, you can see our mission values.
Mm-hmm.
This is vision, our mission, our values.
Yes.
Now, before we go to the finishing, we'll see our lab, quality lab. So, quality lab, there are two things. One is raw material control, and another one is that garment we are checking the test performance. So this is basically the lab. Each and every machine is here. This is a TPI. Okay, TPI we can check.
One of twist per inch.
Twist per inch. Yeah. This is a moisture meter. Okay, where you can see the moisture. This is a weight scale for the
GS.
count tester. Okay, for the count tester. Referral. And this is the coke meter. Okay. For
Machine for checking
yeah,
the
coke
dry and
meter.
wet rubbing fastness.
Dye or trapping. Yeah. And this is the conditioning that we are conditioning the garment before we
Before
send
it
for
is
any test. And this is the light box. Okay. This is the light box UV D64, D65. Okay. TL83. Okay. And then this is the gyro watt for preparation. We are checking. This is tumble dryer. This is a Samsung domestic machine for domestic washers. Okay, where the program is delegate
wash.
dark garment wash, and this is the wash cutter machine. Okay, basically program whatever programming work we are doing over here. The DST dimensional stability we are checking it with this machine. Okay, and you can see each and every machine there is a in instruction is there how to run in this, and the maintenance part is also there. Okay. For each and every machine having the calibration. Okay. Yearly calibration. This is incubator where we are just drying the small swatches, whatever. And this is the fume cabinet. Fume cabinet basically for mixing the chemical for the lab. So this is Mr. Abdul Rahim, lab manager. Okay. Yeah. Very nice lab. A small but well organized.
Yeah. That's a wonderful lab.
We are moving to this is the quality room where I am sitting over here in the center. So basically here my QMS is over here, process control is over here, nearby finishing that you can see. So finishing process I will start from the beginning, from the level attack. Okay, level attack is to
Okay. Your video is gone.
video has gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Can't see.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I can see now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So first operation is the level jamming. Okay. After the level jam, there is a light switch.
So video is not visible.
Yeah. No, it's because of network. On the phone.
Yes, we can
This
see
is
now.
the light check. Before pressing, we are doing over here. Afterwards, okay, then pressing the garment.
Yes.
So you can see the pressing of the garment.
Yeah.
we are using frame. We are not using board. Okay. So that
Okay.
vacuum table has take out the skin down. Okay? So that moisture, less moisture on the garment. Okay. That's why we are using this board. This frame.
Yeah.
So after that, there is a data kit. This is the data provider. They are taking the data. After that, 100% everything is there. Measurement they are taking. Check करो बाबा.
Hmm.
Check करो. Check करो. So they are taking the measurement. Okay. Basically, 3 points we are focusing over here. Just body length, sleeve length, and other things. Critical measurement where the garment is in right size.
Yeah.
There also you can see the quality mobile unit. Again, video. Okay, you can see here. This is a production digital dashboard. Okay. Over here you can see all the quality parameters and production capacity. Everything is there. How many pieces is polished, butter. So
So
like
this
this
shows
way we are making.
real time data it shows.
Yeah, tell me.
Does it show real time data? How many packed, how many in the
Yeah. Per hour it is 60 pieces is packing. Okay, 70 pieces actually the target, 100% target.
Okay.
Some line 70 piece, some line 60 piece like that. Okay. So if you can see, she is putting the hand tag over here. You know, inside the line, video is not good.
Yeah. Yeah.
When I coming out, then video.
I'm not getting the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No section. Yeah.
Ah.
So now after that, you can see over here, 100% metal detection is here. After metal detection, goods is going to packing section or packing as per the ratio. So this is the metal detection. We are having a very updated model machine, Hashima. Okay. Yeah.
So this is
So
very important, students. So even if a small part of the needle goes into the garment and it reaches the customer and it hurts the customer, then the customer can sue the company, sue the brand, and there can be huge claims in millions of dollars for metal in the garment. So it is very important that there are no needle parts, no metal in the garments. So every garment is passed through the needle detector machine, and only if it goes through the machine, it is put into the carton.
yeah. Now I'm moving to washing and run.
This, okay, this is the packing section.
Yeah. This is the folding and packing section. Now I'm moving. Washing is in downstairs. This
Okay.
is machine wash, heavy machine is here. So
Yeah.
you cannot keep it in your floor. That's all. Where you can see the
This is the
capacity
washing
is
section.
350. Yeah.
So all sweater garments have to be washed because when they are knitted, there is scope of a lot of shrinkage, and also um, it gives you the actual sweater form only after washing. Otherwise, there is wax, there are a lot of things on the yarn also which need to be removed. Are the washing machines. This is the tumbler for squeezing out water.
And this is the dryer.
These are the dryers.
Whatever you can dry, okay, or
Drying
on
machines.
how much percentage, yeah, how much temperature you will do. It is written in Bangla also, okay, our local language.
Yeah.
And the other side, where the control manager is washing manager is sitting over there. There is a sample machine for doing the small panel. So this is the sample machine.
Okay. So
This is 3 cabinet of rotary. So this is also one type of cabinet. This is
the hydro extract
also, yeah, hydro extractor, and this is the
drying machine.
so
You
this
have
is Mr.
drying.
Rado. Yeah, Mr. Rado Nirina. He is from Madagascar. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
he's from Madagascar. Namaste. Hello. Okay, and this is the quality check point where
Okay.
what after work is checking. We are doing survey here. Each and every work we are checking and feel dimension and the smell. It is a chemical work. So
Okay.
anything neutralization is not good, then some effect is here remaining. Now we are moving to Yanexo and accessory sector. This is a bonded warehouse.
Which room is this? It's the
Yanexo.
yarn store.
Yeah, Yanexo. So we are keeping the yarn. This is a front end area for incoming,
Okay.
and this is for the acceptance.
So nothing is kept on the floor, students. There are designated areas for keeping the
Yeah.
yarn. Proper humidity is required to be maintained in these store, so the
Exactly.
yarn does not get spoiled.
Yeah. And this is the, you can see,
Yeah.
I think you can see, yeah. This
This
is
is
a
for
meter showing
humidity.
55-degree relative humidity.
Yeah.
So RH is 55. So these are the location board, okay, where the yarn is kept. Okay, at a glance you can see that.
Mm.
And then this is a accessory store.
Accessory store.
Yeah. I see the
So for every style, there are different accessories. There may be buttons, zippers,
yeah,
heads.
everything,
So
everything.
they all have to be
Whatever bill
sorted.
card is there, they are following.
Can you focus on one of the cards on the
Location board. Okay.
Okay, so if you see, so this is buyer's name, Betty Barclay. There is a PO number and color. So they mention for which style, which PO number is this trim, are these trims for, and they check and they count every trim and they keep a record.
No. And this is a green sticker for accepted goods.
Accepted. Okay.
Yeah. And this is the location board for which accessories is keeping in which number of bay. There are bay number A, B, C, D like that.
Okay.
Okay. Bay number and ref number also. And this is the place of quality checks. Okay. Like the Jalan, right? So this is the place of quality check. Here we are checking all the accessories 1.5 HH.
Okay.
Now I'm going to show the filling uses here, where the carton is kept.
Okay. Cartons.
This, yeah, this store is under city pad. Okay?
Okay. So these are packed goods.
Yeah, packed goods. Need to
Okay.
ship now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready for ship.
Okay.
Shipping mark already there on the carton.
Can you
Okay,
show the
packing list is
markings
hang.
on the cartons to the students, maybe? What markings are there?
Actually, they are having a lot of information. Keyword is there. Okay, what is the item? The color code is there. Okay, and the barcode is there. Barcode, when we scan the barcode, all the information, all the data will come back on the
So
display.
these
Okay?
cartons
How many pieces, units?
go straight to buyer's warehouse, and if they are going to US, UK, so in all those countries they have automatic warehousing system. So the cartons go on the belt and they are scanned. The barcodes are scanned and they get to know what quantity, what style has come into the warehouse, which color, how many pieces, what is the ratio. So everything they get to know by the barcode. So these barcodes are
And
also given by the buyer.
yeah, and this is the packing list for this consignment. Okay,
Okay,
this is
so
the packing
packing
list
list is also
for
an
this
important
consignment.
document. So it gives how many cartons are being shipped, and in each carton, how many pieces are there, in what ratio, small, medium, large, how many pieces of each size, which color. So that makes the packing list and it is sent to the buyer when the goods are shipped.
Again, I am lost the video.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, I'm going back. I'm going to now inspection room
Okay.
for customer.
Yes.
Go to the inspection room for the customer. You can see this is for Tesco.
Okay.
Okay. Any of the inspection methods. So
So some
here
of
you
you
can
would be
see
knowing, some of you would be studying further. So everything that is shipped needs to get inspected by buyer or their agents. And generally they follow one AQL or 1.5 AQL, which is the standard. So they check each and every garment for defects. So they take out a sample size of garments, and then they say that, say if they have taken out 100 garments, they will accept, say, 3 defects or 4 defects according to the AQL chart. And if the defects are within that limit, then the shipment is passed. Otherwise, it is rejected, and they have to rework on that.
so this is the self inspection, certification.
Okay.
There's two people in my department. They're doing the self inspection for the customer. Okay, certified quality controller.
Okay.
They're doing some self inspection for the customer. So this type of free inspection room is there
Mm.
for customer. Dummy is there also.
Right.
I do the dummy for the inspection.
Yes.
They're fitting the garment also.
So you'll see these fire extinguishers also everywhere in the
Yeah,
factories.
everywhere.
There are markings on the floor, so you can't step beyond that. There are
Light up
yellow
code.
marks on both sides. So these are all for safety measures. Every floor in the factory always has 2 doors, so that it is, in case of any hazard, any problem, then there are 2 ways of moving out of the room. Okay, so that's how it is. So
Yeah,
are we,
this is the reception I came now. Okay,
yeah.
this is the outside of the factory. Okay.
You have an ETP also, Nasimul sir?
Yeah. ETP is in backside.
Oh,
I'm going. This is a the fire hiding system inside. Okay, inside the fire hiding system. The the ground is tanky is in ground. Okay, it will take 2 minutes only
right.
to wait out the factory.
Okay.
So fire hiding system is well established. It is automatic. It, nobody need to switch on the light and all.
Okay.
I'm going to ETP now, and we are recycling all. We are recycling all the whatever plastics we are using. So we
Okay.
are trying to recycle as much as possible.
That's wonderful. So ETP is the treatment plant for effluent
Yeah, it is.
treatment plant. So all the water that is used in the factory for washing and all, it is treated and it is all the chemicals are removed from it. So that's what an ETP is.
This is actually the outlet of the ETP,
Okay. So this is where the clean water is coming out after treatment.
and this is the flow chart basically.
Okay. So the water is treated in this particular manner. Okay.
This is the final discharge point.
Yes.
This is also. Okay, and this water don't have that much hardness.
Hmm. So this is clean
Water
water now
we are
after
doing.
treatment.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, madam.
Okay,
So
sir.
I'm leaving now.
Thank you so much, Nasimul sir. Uh, Thank you for all your inputs and the factory visit. Uh, I'm sure students have gained a lot because they are not able to go because of lockdown and all. But thank you so much for showing the factory and taking out your time for this. I thank you on behalf of Amity University, Amity Directorate of Applied Arts, Fine Arts, Performing Arts, and Visual Arts.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to all the students for joining in. Thank you to DG sir for giving
Yeah.
us
Thank you
this
very much. Thank you.
opportunity.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Thanks a lot. Maqsood sir, we can leave the event. Please send me the attendance list also.